Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Roblox Memory Dump Error. This issue usually happens because of compatibility problems or corrupted Roblox files. But don't worry, there are a few simple ways to fix it. First, locate the Roblox player on your computer, then right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, open the Compatibility tab and enable the option to run this program in compatibility mode, setting it to Windows 8. After that, make sure to check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Once everything is selected, click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer and check if Roblox is working properly. If the problem still isn't fixed, the next solution is to install the Microsoft Store version of Roblox. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, select Roblox for Windows, and click Install. Many users find that this version runs more smoothly and fixes the memory dump error. If Roblox is still crashing, the final method is to delete corrupted local files. Open the Windows search bar, type Run, and press Enter. In the Run box, type %localappdata and press Enter again. This will open the local app data folder. Find the Roblox folder, right-click on it, and delete it. After deleting the folder, restart your computer. When you launch Roblox again, it will automatically create fresh files, which should resolve the memory dump error. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Roblox memory dump error easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.